I'm going to replace the Thanksgiving dinner with a fake dinner. Ha 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 ha. Now I got the real dinner stuffed in this bag. Now to go before someone catches me.
Oh my god. I can't believe we got a Christmas tree early. We didn't believe it as well. We'll wait until December 1st to hang it up. Let's head downstairs.
Hey, the Thanksgiving dinner looks fake.
That's because it is. Someone must have swapped the real dinner with the fake dinner. We better look for it.
What are you three doing here?
We're looking for... Hey, I smell something.
Like, what?
Like turkey. The smell is coming from this bag.
I wouldn't look in there if I were you.
Is there a reason why?
What? It's the Thanksgiving dinner. I knew you did this, Toad. You're grounded for 3 days. Now stay in your room for the rest of the day.
Now to put the dinner back on the table.